Uno Madness, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Uno except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object of the game is to be the first player to score 500 points by getting rid of all the tiles in their rack first. Mix up the tiles face down and give each player a tile rack. Each player draws 5 tiles and adds them to their rack, keeping them hidden from others. Place the game unit in the middle of the table and turn it off. Wind the knob clockwise as far as it will go. Press the purple playboard down until it catches. Draw a tile from the pile and place it face up on the first space on the board. If this tile is not a number tile, return it to the pile and try again. Then turn on the game unit. Pick a player to go first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, you must play a legal tile from your rack to the next place in the board, following the arrows, like you would in normal Uno. After you play your tile, you must say Madness to indicate your turn is over. If you are unable to make a legal play, then you draw 1 tile from the pile. If that tile can be played, then you may play it, otherwise your turn ends. When you play your second to last tile, you must say Uno. If you don't, and someone catches you before the next player ends their turn, then you must draw 2 penalty tiles. A player's turn officially begins when the preceding player says Madness or Uno. If the playboard pops up on your turn, then you must take 4 tiles from the playboard and add them to your rack. Any remaining tiles are placed face down in the pile. The player who the game popped up on resets the timer and board and draws the starting tile. The timer starts, and the next player from them goes. The special action tiles behave the same as in regular Uno. You are not allowed to make a suggestion as to how another player should play. If you do, then you must draw 4 penalty tiles. The round ends when a player runs out of tiles in their rack, or when the played tiles reach the center of the board. In both instances, the player to make the final play scores points for the remaining tiles in the other players' racks.